You've probably seen the viral penguin, the one that walked away from the colony, alone. But have you ever wondered what it could be teaching us about our Dean? The penguin went toward the mountains, away from the group. And even if he was brought back, he would have turned around and walked away again. He leaves the comfort of the group, not chasing food, not following a crowd. He walks toward a horizon no one else can see. And the world asks, why? Because the soul cannot find peace without direction. Sometimes, following your Dean makes you look strange. Sometimes, walking toward Allah means walking away from the crowd. Yes, it's uncomfortable, but staying where your heart is asleep is far more dangerous. Walking alone is terrifying, but you are never alone when you trust in Allah. If you feel the pull to rise, don't ignore it. That is your soul recognizing its true purpose.